Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel again. How are you all? I hope you're feeling wonderful today. Being close to nature brings calm and balance. Nature is a great teacher. It teaches patience. Nothing can be forced. Grow whether in plants or in any form of life happens in its own time. Even humans cannot be forced to grow. They must grow naturally, in their own rhythm. Patience is love, and love is all you need to grow a garden. Sometimes a tomato plant takes 6 or 7 months to give fruit. The waiting is natural. It depends on the weather, the temperatures, the rain, and many other conditions. Here the tomatoes were planted in summer, but it was raining. They grew very slowly, and some even died. When the rain stopped, the tomatoes started growing more normally. Then the cold season came and grew slowly again, like birds hibernating, pausing their vital functions. And then they continue again. Leaves grew, flowers bloomed, and finally the fruit appears. This slow rhythm shows to trust the process, even when it's uncertain. The garden grows at its own pace, just like humans and any living beings. The more they are cared for, the more they flourish. Sometimes, due to the weather conditions, some plants may die, and there is nothing we can do. Even when we care as best as we cannot stop nature. And even if some plants die or stop growing, others will grow in their place. And it's okay. It's all the beauty of life.